I wanted to show you a new feature within Google Sheets that can be very, very helpful if you're trying to track when a form was filled out by students or colleagues, or whatever form you're using that populates a sheet, or if you're just tracking data and more than one person is in here filling things in and you want to know if something has changed on this sheet without opening it. So if you come over and start to look at these tables here, you can see that there are all sorts of new things. And if you go to Tools, under Conditional Notifications, I've already clicked on it, so mine doesn't say New anymore. But if you click on here, it will automatically do all sorts of things here if you give it some rules. For example, I named my rule, cross-listing email. And then I am telling it if the cell value changes I just picked a column. If a cell value changes in column B, for my purposes, it really wouldn't matter which column because I just want to email if a new row is filled in. Then I want it to send an email to me. You could also have it email people from a column if I wanted everybody in column B to get an email when this was changed, or you could just send it to certain people by manually typing it, maximum of 10. So I just left it just sending to me. I hit save, and you can see it's here, and then I tried it again. Just was playing around. You can add other conditions. So if the cell value changes, and then if it changes in this column, and then also meets the condition of, and you can put all sorts of things, like if the date is before this or the date is after that, you can put all sorts of different conditions on here for why it would send an email and who the email would get sent to. And so I wanted to show you that as I came down in here and I just put in my information and hit return, I can look at the trigger history, and it went ahead and it sent an email. And so if I go over to my email, I can see that I got an email from me, and it says important values were changed, and it tells me the name of the sheet that the values were changed in. So I think this can be a really, really great tool for anybody who's working in spreadsheets, and you don't want to have to keep opening the spreadsheet to see if something changed.